Alright, we've got the Coppock curve. And that's a long-term price momentum indicator used primarily to recognize major downtrends and upturns in a stock market index. Okay. Fair enough. But as we look at it here, now I've taken the awesome oscillator here, and it's not the normal one. I've just gone over and changed a few things around. Um, Instead of showing numerical, it shows Boolean, and now it's a little dot. So that's kind of neat. I had that saved in here, and I found this study over in one of my strategies, and it said, well, it was like number 4, and it anyhow. So I started playing with it, and it was something that I never finished. It ended up being this lower study here that gives you a buy signal, okay, and sell signals on the Coppock curve. And then I created a study down below, and let's get rid of our P&L here, or let's see if we can just make it go away. Alright. So now we can get our buy and sell signals based on this Coppock curve. And I've got a couple stocks pulled up here, and it seems like it works. I did build a upper study with it, a lower study with it, and then a custom study with it. This is on a weekly time chart. Let's go to a 4-hour, time chart. And now we can see the study that I, wanted to know is when it crosses above 0. So, and it crossed above 0 here. That condition was true. Okay. So if that was your buy signal, okay, and this was your buy signal, okay, doesn't look like a terrible, so we could turn this into a watch list. Okay. And we can use our awesome oscillator here, to go, red dot, red dot, red dot, and when it turns to green dots, you should be buying, or at least be considering it. So, here is when that condition would have been true. So you still would have ended up short before you ended up, in profit. So, but if you followed this lower study, it would have been a little bit, it's less accurate. Follow this awesome oscillator. There you go. Get a couple dots green, fire long. And this is a Coppock curve, study. Okay. It's very neat. Not the most reliable robot, but it does work. It understands what we want it to do. I do like this Coppock curve lower study. I really do like that. I like that I was able to finish it, and that we can see when it goes above 0, price kind of gets bullish for a little bit. Okay. Let's check out, let's see, all, or let's go to MGM. Okay. See, back here it got above 0. You still kind of went down before it went up. That's interesting. Let's check out the monthly max. Okay, now see, out on the max, it gives you the buy and sell signals. On the max, aggregate chart. Very neat. make sure you like and subscribe. That way I know that you like the videos and that I should upload these to, like GitHub or something. That way I can share them. Yeah, I like the way this looks. Yeah, you can just trade it by color. And when it says buy, you buy it. I mean, that makes sense too. We should go in and plot a sell signal. Yep. Yeah, there's your Coppock curve. Looks like you do get some very good, buy and sell signals on it, though. Even on the lower study, it's still catching them. Yeah, we don't catch much there, but we do see, when something happens. Okay. Let's check out Tesla here. Okay. Looks like we're in one of these actions here. We're going to keep on pushing up. Yeah. It's going to pull back a little bit, but push on up. Very cool. Very cool. So I should name this. Okay.
Find new adventures together in the new Santa Fe with user profiles.
There we go. Look over here in these strategies.
Just want Phyllis to have a great day. Phyllis and you will be great together. We are great together. We are a great team. The Celtics were a great team. Yes, yes. They were. Robert Parrish.
Ooh,
I should talk to
what
her.
is this?
I don't want this to ruin her honeymoon. Nobody ever helped me.
Okay.
I had to do it myself. Even the doctor didn't know. Dude, keep it together. I listened to you for half an hour, even though most of that stuff went right over my head.
Seen this before.
Phyllis, wait, please. I'm sorry. I just wanted to make this a day to remember. Yeah, he's kind of a weirdo. You're
Okay.
welcome.
Well, we'll leave that in our strategies for now.
Such a flash. You're lucky if you even get a piece of your own cake. I say that's crazy. I say let them eat cake.
Let them eat cake.
Margaret Thatcher said that about marriage. Smart broad.
Let's see what this one is.
Careful with the ball.
Something's not finished. Expected double. Where?
Get me.
comes to virtual care, InterSystems gives healthcare providers a complete picture of their patient's health through data they can trust and seamless interoperability.
I see she's allergic to amoxicillin. Not to worry, I'll prescribe a different antibiotic.
InterSystems brings together doctors and patients.
Still expect
no
a
matter where they
double.
are. InterSystems, the power behind critical data.
Let's get rid of that one.
I don't know if it's the right time for me to leave.
Yeah, I've got plenty of the Arun strategies.
Folks, the gentleman that we are dealing with is crazy. Keep your eyes open, your mind sharp.
Redemption Day. Rated R. Rented today.
13 seasons, 13 queens.
Friday.
There we go.
RuPaul's Drag Race is all new.
This season, my girls will make you live.
These queens are in for the strut of their lives.
It is time to bury these girls.
Yeah, see, it's not done yet.
Gosh, season 13!
Take a look around, honey. You got some competition.
Where?
RuPaul's Drag Race, all new Fridays at 8, only on VH1.
And the best time to buy this was way back here. Let's see what Amazon's got. Well, I kind of thought Amazon was at a discount, but I don't normally like quoting such high dollar stocks, but yes, it is. It is at a discount. So if you were to add to an Amazon position, now would be about the time to do it.
The boys are back with all new episodes of Revenge Prank.
Ah, this is why I do what I do.
Yeah.
Helping
Or it's almost time to do it. Maybe let's wait until it has a confirmation of uptrend. But yes, it's at a discount right now. Once this starts coming back up, we could probably expect more action. More forward action. There we go. See? There's a nice discount. And there was your best discount right there. Okay. Here's your 15-minute time chart that we can trade. Well, yeah, see, it hit its low. You know, it's ready to start treading back up, coming back down, and maybe even looking for a reversal somewhere around here in 3160, 3140. So, you know, on the upwards train, you know, up to 3200s. Okay. You can count on Postman Butters. See, this has hit a low here too. What is this? The Altus USA? Yeah. Wait for this dip to be done and see it trend up and possibly even, you know, go up. Yeah, looks like the $37, $38. We got some big time overextension here, but I mean, look at it. There's buying power. People want it. Yeah, we should take this 300 EMA and turn it into a watch list. You want a shitty tuna roll? And that been the truth, you'd have bought it for $12. Okay. Big dip to 81.02 back here in March. We're at about a height here, though. Yeah, I can expect some bouncing around in here. The Butters started an Asian turf war. Bad Butters. Let's see what the Fractal Chaos bands say. Need to come in and chart for breakouts better. That was a reasonable breakout. I caught it. A.O. Smith. Yes, I know A.O. Smith very well. Down to about how much every single water heater they make weighs. You start to remember after you've carried so many of them. Okay. Let's check CSX. It's hit a high, but we're at a bit of a low here, so maybe we can see some upwards action here. Let's find another watch list. Yeah, there we go. CVS. Check that out. Looks like we're going to have a pullback though. Big high. It's going to pull back. GeoVax Labs. Okay. They had a huge buy though. Big buying pressure. Wow. Something might be happening with GeoVax. We should check that out. Yeah, that's a lot of buying. A lot. Alright, what's up with GeoVax? 13 hours ago, awarded NIH grant to advance COVID-19 vaccine development. I see. So 13 hours ago, now I stumble upon it in my watch lists. 4 hours ago, GeoVax. Okay. Nearly doubles after recent grant to develop COVID-19. Well,
I know you are. This is going to sound scary.
let's see.
You have people living inside your head. And some of them want to murder you.
Really?
Yes, I'm afraid you're a little sick.
Stock twits 3 days ago.
I'm going to get you well.
Don't listen to Dr. James. He's a mean old man.
Alright, so it looks like GeoVax is going to be on the lookout for, one of our next runners, and I would say the upside potential that it has, given that it had a low of a penny, it looks like. I mean, they literally beat this thing down to 1 cent in January. Oh my goodness. And then up to a high of $47 and back down. So, okay. But now there's some actual fundamental news behind the company. So let's not get trapped in this one. But let's keep a good watch on it. This could be a good turnaround for this company. Even if you'd have bought in here on this big spike, you would have still lost money if you didn't get in at the bottom. So, I mean, it doesn't look like a great opportunity. It looks more of like a blah opportunity.
Kate has been abducted.
You would have had to have been in down here, a couple days ago, to be up anything right now, and chances are it's being shorted from here. So, interesting. We'll see if any other videos come out on this GovX, this GeoVax Labs. We'll keep an eye on it, but the range that it has right now, it really just looks like.
You know what's wrong with Plenty apps? They make you do all the work.
I'm not gonna say much, but I'm gonna stay away from it, but watch it closely.
Bills, savings, investments.
Helios Medical Tech.
Automatically, so you have more
See,
money.
I'd be more likely to try to trade this.
Just text our team of real human beings. Like me. Why trust your money with Albert?
Hubble Incorporated.
Just 6 months.
Hubble, like
Start-
Hubble
just
telescope?
download the app or go to albert.com.
Okay. Yeah, I'd be more incorporated. I'd be more likely to trade this. Be quiet, TV. Quit putting things in my head. Yes, Akerna Corp. Okay. Yeah, this looks like decent trading. BlackRock, yeah. Let's see. Lots of BlackRock stocks. Very neat. Gives you some good daily range. But it looks like there's some good upside here, though. Good upside. Yep. Look at AMD on our list here. AMD gave us a good discount back here, all the way down to $93.79. If you were able to get in on that, you would have been able to pull the ride all the way up to 97, but you have to be watching for the discounts. You can see it. Yeah. You have to be watching for them. Good discount here. pulled back up. So you would have to tell it if price dropped below this bar to buy it, and that's a really high risk. China and Japan a different country? Well, duh. Alright. What's this? FLB Financial Group? Alright. Oh, wow. Yeah, we should see some turnaround tomorrow. Tesla was one of our biggest puller backers. So... Yep, I can see Tesla pulling back good, but that's okay. Looks like Baba pulled back some too. Oh, delicious. That's a great price for Baba. Alright. Good discounts. Looks like LLY is one of our best, companies that have been pulling ahead. Looks like Nvidia did pretty good too. Now Service Incorporated. Okay. Alright.